Today I'm going to be going over the preventative maintenance package, and I'll be starting with preventative maintenance. So as you can see with these tickets, the creator for this ticket was Jay Cooper, and actually a lot of these were Jay Cooper. But you can see that in this particular ticket here, the creator was system generated. So a person did not create this, but TicketBlaze did. So it was auto generated. You can see that here also. So what preventative maintenance does, it allows you to create jobs based on a schedule. And that's what we're going to go into. So if you look over here, we have preventative maintenance, and that's where we're going to start. What preventative maintenance does is it extends the life of your equipment by having scheduled jobs to help you get things done. This way you don't have to continue to do these things, or sometimes we can forget to do this. Usually a piece of equipment such as a CNC machine will have preventative maintenance, a preventative maintenance manual. And this is where you can take advantage of our software. Let's take a look at a few of them. So you can see with this injection molder, we have a preventative maintenance job here. Every first of the month for January, March, May, July, October, December at 8:55, we are going to create a ticket that has these things here get done. Also, you'll see, for example, the air handler. We're going to run this job every second Thursday of the month for these months, and it's going to create a ticket that's going to be assigned to Mike, and he's going to have to perform these tasks. Alright, so let's go ahead and create one, and we'll show you just how simple it is. So we're going to go new scheduled job. Alright. We're going to assign this to the CNC machine. So we're going to check the pressure, the fluids, the chain, and the chips. So we are going to do a advanced automated job. If you did a simple one, it's just very simple. You can run this job every 5 days or every 12 days if you wanted to. But we're going to do something a little more advanced. So we're going to choose advanced. We're going to run this job every 6th of the month for these months: January, March, June, and November. Okay, would you like to add a checklist for this job? Yes, we do. So I'll go ahead and add a checklist item. So the first one will be the pressure. Okay, so we're going to check the hydraulic pressure to make sure it's at 4.5 MPa. And let's give Mike that task. Clean the chip pan. On a CNC machine, the conveyor chain is pretty important. This task, and let's assign Mike to this one also. We're gonna hit next. Okay, and now we have job 5 here, and you can see our CNC preventive maintenance. And if we click on that, here's everything we set up. So on the 6th of the month, for January, June, March, November at 8:15 p.m. We probably should make this AM, but that's okay for the demonstration. Let's move on to the next thing, which is going to be teams. So as you can see here now, you can add teams to TicketBlaze, which will help you with collaboration. So let's add finance, and let's add purchasing, and let's add marketing. And it's just that simple. So now you can see that you now have those teams here. So right now you can see there's no open tickets. To demonstrate their usage, let's do a new ticket. Let's create something for marketing. Okay. And we're going to assign this to marketing. And we're going to create the ticket. And you'll see it appear in marketing's queue. There it is. Website redo. Let's make the website look more modern. Now that you have the ability to add multiple teams, you can create a collaborative project. And let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So let's create a new ticket. And let's say that your company is making a completely new product and it's going to involve multiple departments. So this is going to be new product A. And then what we're going to do is the team is going to be collaborative. And Adam will be the project leader. So let's go ahead and create that ticket. And so now you'll see under collaborative, new product A. So here's where it gets interesting. Let's go into the collaborative ticket. And now let's create subtasks. Now we can involve all the other teams that we've added. So let's say that R. Smith is on the marketing team. Okay. New logo. We'll need a new logo that matches our current. Okay. We're going to add that subtask. And so let's say D. Robbins is in the purchasing. Materials. And D. Robbins' task will be to purchase all raw materials for the new product. Let's say Mike is on R&D. Develop new material. Okay, so let's add that. And let's say Jay Cooper, maintenance. Create samples. So the maintenance team is going to create perhaps 100 samples. Using the equipment. Okay, so let's update this ticket. So now when we click on new product A, you can see that the subtasks are 0% complete and that we have these new tasks down here for each person. New logo, purchase raw materials, user research and development to create a smoother material, and create samples. Okay, so let's say that this person here completes it. So we'll close these. We'll close this. We'll close this one because those 3 are complete. And it looks like this is the only one left. So you can see it's 75% complete now. The new product is almost done, but the maintenance team has not yet created the samples. So it looks like they're having a problem with the boxing machine. So you can see where how you can collaborate between teams. And each person would be logged in, being able to contribute. Next, let's go to calendar. Here you can see all your jobs that have begin dates. It's all laid out for you nicely so that you don't have to go weeding through tickets. So you can see we're on January right now. So someone's going to be working on the ceiling leaking on the 15th here. And that's when this job is going to begin. And when you click on it, TicketBlaze is built for collaboration. So you can actually reply to the ticket right from here, from the calendar. So this is ticket number 23342. So let's go ahead and look at this ticket. Let's find 23342. So you can see that it has a begin date of January 15, 2019. So that's where that comes from. Okay, and you can also switch teams. So as you can see here, let's look at R&D. R&D has their own thing going on the 21st. So it's a good way to really be able to schedule things and have a bird's eye view. Let's take a look on the 19th. On September, let's take a look at September 2019. So it looks like there's a lot going on, and you'll notice you have these gray jobs and these blue ones. The blue ones are tickets. These are your preventative maintenance jobs, the gray ones. So you can see this is the knitting machine. This is a cleaning window job. So every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, every 5 days, this preventative maintenance job is going to kick off. So when this day actually comes, this will turn blue and it will become a ticket. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It repeats. So you'll notice a lot is going on here on the 19th. So let's see what's going on. So let's say you want to reschedule. There's too much going on. You can simply click this and then you can drag to another day. TicketBlaze makes it simple. And you can also reply to a ticket. And it updates. You can also create events right from here by clicking on this plus sign. Let's make it R. Smith, and let's assign an asset. Let's say a 6 drill press. And create the ticket, and it creates the ticket right there. And it's assigned by, you can see, to R. Smith. And you can also switch years here. You can see the preventive maintenance jobs continue on even into the next year and the next year. And these are tickets that will fire off and you don't even have to create them. Let the system do it for you. You can also edit a ticket right from the calendar. Next, we have sites. Sites makes it so that you can see everything that's going on the floor, and you can see the assets and how many tickets they have. So you can see that this one has 3 tickets. The air handler has 3 tickets. The hydraulic press has 1 ticket right now. The sheet metal machine has 1 ticket. And you can also go use this slider to show all the assets on your floor plan. This is really good for new hires that need to find out where things are. And it's also good for you because it helps you to see at a bird's eye view what's going on. So the blue ones are tickets that are on hold. So if you look here, we can see just by color code that something's going on here. This ticket's being held up. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So it looks like if we read the history, I'm waiting on Ivan to purchase a part. Okay. And then we see up here, still waiting. So you decide to reply. Ivan is actually on vacation for 3 weeks. Please contact Jim, his backup on this. Great. You can also search for assets. So let's search for press. Okay, so you get 2 things here. You get 2 things, the 6 drill press and the hydraulic press. So we can do locate asset on this floor. We've selected it. And look, there it is. And it makes bringing on new employees and they're learning about your environment much quicker. Okay, let's clear that search. Now, let's add a floor plan. TicketBlaze makes it so that you have the ability to add as many floor plans as you want. All you need to do is create your floor plan in your favorite software such as Visio or whatever it may be, and just make sure that you save it as a JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF. Let's go ahead and click New Floor Plan. And so I'm going to import a floor plan. And let's choose Building 2. As you can see, here is all the different files we support. Bitmap, JPEG, GIF, PNG, TIFF. Okay, and so let's name this Building 2. See, so we're going to go ahead and add this floor plan. There we go. Here it is. So it's nice and clean right now, but we need to go ahead and add some assets. Let's add the miter saw because that's where it's located. So I'm going to hover and I'm going to hit place asset on floor plan. And there it goes. That's where the miter saw lives. And the knitting machine, let's place that over here. So you can see how easy it is to keep track of where your assets are and to see what's going on the floor. So let's go back to building 1. If we click on one of these, you can see the details. If you click details, and you can see all the details of that asset, and you can even view its documentation. You can also create a ticket for it right from here. And you can see the asset 142 is selected for you conveniently. Now you place an asset here. Let's say that you guys physically move it on the floor. All you have to do is click on move, and then you can move that asset to its new home. When you click on an asset, you can also, as you can see, there are 3 tickets for this particular asset on your floor. If you use the arrows, then you can see what each one of those tickets are and what is going on. And you can reply. We've also added the ability to be able to see all of your master tickets easily. If you check this box here, then you're going to see only your master tickets, which are highlighted here in blue.